So Jane, Kylie and Lee, we have Jane, Kylie and Lee, okay, bought the same amount of flour, so they started off the same. Lee gave 3/5 of a flour to Kylie. So if Lee gave away 3/5, okay, we can assume that they all started off with 5 units of flour just for convenience. Okay, since Lee gave away 3/5 of 5 units, so then she would have given away 3 units to Kylie. So Kylie will gain 3 units, and the new ratio will then be 5 to 8 to 2 units. Okay, then Kylie gave 1/4 of the amount of flour she had to Jane. So Kylie gave away 1/4 of 8 units, so she would have lost 2 units, and Jane would have gained 2 units. Okay, so then Jane has 7 units, Kylie has 6 units, and Lee still has 2 units. Alright, finally, Jane gave 38.5 grams of the flour she had to Lee, and she now had the same amount of flour as Lee. So Jane started up with 7 units and Lee with 2 units. In total, they have 9 units. So if they ended up having the same amount of flour, then that will be half of 9. Okay, so they must end up having 4.5 units each. And Kylie still has 6 units. Okay, so for Jane to go from 7 units to 4.5 units, alright, she must have gave away 2.5 units, which is also the 38.5 grams. Alright, since 2.5 units is 38.5 grams, so we can find 1 unit by dividing 38.5 by 2.5, and we will have 15.4 grams for 1 unit. So part A asks for what is the weight of the flour Kylie have at the end. Kylie had 6 units, so we'll take 15.4 multiplying by 6. That will give us 92.4 grams for part A. Okay, as for part B, what is the total weight of the flour the 3 girls have at first? So the amount of flour they have at first will be 5 units plus 5 units plus 5 units. That will be 15 units. Okay, so 15 units can be found by taking 15.4 grams, which is 1 unit, multiplying by 15, and we will have 231 grams for part B.